You need to watch this if you struggle to believe in legends. Ever heard of a sleeping giant? Perched on the Isle of Skye, the Old Man of Storr is more than just a rock formation. Legends say it marks the resting place of a mighty giant. When he was laid to rest, his thumb remained above ground. But wait, what if the Old Man of Storr isn't resting in peace? Some tales whisper that he's merely sleeping with one eye open, waiting to awaken. Now, my friend Donald from Skye has a quirky Scottish Gaelic phrase for this. Cadal nan consa mhuilinn, which means sleeping with one eye open. You wouldn't get much sleep, I tell you. Of course, it is a figure of speech and means sleeping lightly. Cadal nan consa mhuilinn, the sleep of the hounds in the mill. There must be an epic tale behind it. Let your imagination run wild, because in Scotland, legends are just waiting to be discovered or reawakened. So next time you visit, remember you might just be walking in the footsteps of giants.